Today we're gonna use EP5-kumquat, one of my favorite brands of drinking vinegar. I'm also gonna do in a later episode how to make a drinking vinegar, just in case you don't wanna buy EP5-kumquat. We're gonna do EP5-kumquat ginger, and then we're gonna do a kumquat and lemon juice muddle. And at the very end, I'm gonna make sure we add Jamaican Bitters, man. That's my attempt at a Jamaican accent. Anyway, Jamaican Bitters number 2. Let's do 3/4 of an ounce of our EP5-kumquat bitters. I have diced up 1 kumquat, Meyer lemon. We take our muddler and muddle. Make sure you get the muddle side down. I always forget that one. Yeah, I can smell it. It smells like kumquat and vinegar. We're gonna add our ice, soda water. Jamaican Bitters, man. Number 2. It's terrible. Stir the glass. Oh, I love drinking vinegar. Perfect if you want a little bit of the sourness with your sweetness. See you tomorrow.